Unleash the power of technology in your hands. Dive into the world of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, where innovation meets functionality. Don't miss out as we reveal the future of smartphones. Join us as we unveil the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a device that's not just a phone, but a revolution in your hands. Stay tuned and witness the power of next-generation technology. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, an upcoming mobile offering from Samsung, promises to be a powerhouse of features and performance. The phone is rumored to sport a 6.80-inch touchscreen display with a 120Hz refresh rate and QHD+ resolution, offering a pixel density of 500 ppi. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass, ensuring durability. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with a generous 12 GB of RAM. This combination should ensure smooth performance and multitasking. The phone is rumored to run on Android 13 and is expected to be powered by a robust 5000 mAh non-removable battery, which supports wireless charging. In terms of camera specifications, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to pack a quad-rear camera setup. This includes a 200-megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 aperture, a 12-megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture, and a 10-megapixel camera with an f2.4 aperture. The rear camera setup also features phase detection autofocus. For selfies, it is rumored to sport a 12-megapixel primary camera with an f2.2 aperture. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to run One UI 5.1 based on Android 13 and packs 256 GB of inbuilt storage. The phone is tipped to be a dual SIM GSM mobile that will accept nano SIM. The phone's dimensions are said to be 163.40x 78.10x 8.90 mm, height x width x thickness, and it weighs 234.00 grams. It is expected to launch in a variety of colors: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. It also features an IP68 rating for dust and water protection. The connectivity options on the Galaxy S24 Ultra are comprehensive, including Wi-Fi 802.11, A/B/G/N/AC/AX, GPS, Bluetooth V5.30, NFC, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi Direct, 3G, 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India, and 5G with active 4G on both SIM cards. The phone is also rumored to include a variety of sensors such as an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, barometer, compass magnetometer, gyroscope, in-display fingerprint sensor, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra appears to be a promising device, packed with high-end features and specifications. It could be a strong contender in the premium smartphone market segment. However, these are still rumors, and the actual product may vary. Stay tuned for the official launch for confirmed details. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.